Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into something extremely important for US businesses: depreciation and fixed asset reports under US GAAP. If you've ever wondered how to track your assets and depreciation properly, this video will make it extremely simple. So first, what you're going to have to do is simply head into your accounting software, whether that's QuickBooks, Xero, or whatever you're using. Now, fixed assets are basically things like equipment, vehicles, or buildings that your business owns and uses over time. So depreciation is how we spread the cost of those assets over their useful life. So running these reports literally helps you track your asset values accurately, plan your taxes correctly, and see how your investments are performing. So to get started, simply go to your reports section, then look for something like fixed assets or depreciation report. From there, you'll then be able to see all your assets, their purchase date, cost, accumulated depreciation, and book value. So most accounting software lets you filter out by date, asset type, or location. This is super handy if you have a lot of equipment or multiple business locations. So as a pro tip, make sure each asset has correct purchase date, original cost, and useful life assigned. And if anything is missing, the depreciation calculation could be off. So once your data is correct, you can then run a report. So you'll then be able to see columns for original cost, accumulated depreciation, and current book value. So these numbers are critical for tax reporting, financial statements, and business planning. And that's it. So running depreciation and fixed asset reports doesn't have to be complicated. Once you've got the right setup, it's basically just a few clicks to get updated reports whenever you need them. So if this really helped you, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.